hanggang ngayon naniniwala pa rin kayo sa Bible? Kasi ako always pray lang, okay na. Ooh, okay. Try natin i-compare. Let's say demons, you. Believe in God? Demons? Yes, they believe in God. James 2:19. You also said you believe in God. Okay? 1 point parehas. Believe and follow the Bible. Demons na. And you said na you don't believe in the Bible. So, paano mo i-follow yung Bible? Okay. Oh, it's a tie. Alright? Next. Tremble in terror. Nangangatal pa daw. Ang demonyo, they tremble in terror. Sabi sa James 2:19. Ayan, no? You say you have faith, for you believe that there is one God. Good for you. Mabuti sa'yo. Sabi sa James 2:19. Okay, naniniwala ka sa Diyos. Mabuti sa'yo. Even the demons believe this, and they tremble in terror. So, kahit ang mga demonyo, nangangatal sila sa takot sa Diyos. 2 points for demons. You, I don't know you personally, but most of the people now, wala silang takot sa Diyos. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. They believe God exists, pero they don't believe in the Bible. Wala silang takot sa Diyos. As long as namumuhay sila ng walang taong tinatapakan, kahit bawal sa mata ng Diyos, ginagawa. Again, I don't know you personally, pero kung ganun ka din, that's not a point for you. So, demons, you, or should I say other people, na ganun din ang paniniwala, 2 points for the demons. For the people na ganun ang paniniwala, 1 point. Wow, grabe, lamang pa to. Why do you call me Lord, Lord, and do not do what I say? Yes, nagpe-pray ka nga, pero ang tanong dyan, kanino ka nagpe-pray? If that's not the God of the Bible, then alam mo na kung kanino ka nagpe-pray. Kasi yan madalas ang nangyayari. Gumagawa kayo ng sariling version nyo ng Diyos sa utak nyo. If that is not God in the Bible, then you are praying to the fallen angels, which is the demons, Satan, and the demonic spirits. To reject God's word is to reject God Himself.